Hi, my name is Justin Conway. Today I'm going to discuss how to add leading zeros to numbers in Microsoft Excel. You might want to do this if you have a variety of different, a range of numbers, but they have different amounts of numbers within them. In other words, if there's numbers that start at 100, and then there are other numbers that are just single digit, but you want all of your data to look uniform. And if they don't have numbers in the hundreds place, you want there to be zeros. You want those leading zeros to be there to make everything uniform. Also, if you just want to add a couple of zeros to any data that exists for any reason, there are ways to do that. So first thing you want to do is select the data that you want to add that information to. And here we have all two-digit numbers. What I'm going to do to mix this up a little bit is just to add a few numbers to some of these. And let's say that we're going to want everything to be even with this number here. It's a 5-digit number. So I want all of these numbers to have leading zeros so that they are the same length as this one. You're going to right-click, go into Format Cells, select Custom, and then up here where it says General, you can type zeros, and the first two zeros that you type will be replaced by the actual number themselves because they're two-digit numbers. But if you continue to type and you make 5 numbers, 5 zeros, you'll see that the sample has 3 leading zeros now, followed by the actual number, and that's going to populate into your data. So you can click OK. And there you go. Your leading zeros were actually put in just the way it was planned, where it's the same length as this one long number with the 5 digits. That's how to add leading zeros in Microsoft Excel. My name is Justin Conway. I hope that helped.